Over the last few days, PEPE whales have been accumulating, driving the price from the bottom of a range that I want to show you guys for PEPE up about 14 or 15%. And right now we are facing resistance for PEPE coin, and so are we for the total market cap. And there's a chance, because we are seeing XRP and a variety of coins pop off today. We've seen our total market cap come up as well. There's a chance we break out to the upside. But there is a chance that we reject a little bit lower before a massive explosion to the upside for PEPE, for the altcoin market, and just cryptocurrency overall. I want to go through a new range that I'm looking at for PEPE with you guys in this video and talk to you guys about the games that whales play, especially when it comes to PEPE coin. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Do me a favor, smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out the chart just kicking it off for Bitcoin right now. You will see that we are kind of dancing from 100K down to the bottom of this range around the low 90s and kind of back up to the top and back and forth. These are the hourly candles. If you really go out into the daily candles, you will see this range play out a little bit more precisely, really kind of hitting up and down in this range. And right now on the daily time frame, we are actually red for Bitcoin. After opening a lot higher, we actually came down earlier today, had a big move back up, but we are facing resistance for Bitcoin right here, as well as our total market cap, which is back in the green. This thing on the daily candle time frame is dancing up and down. We're not really sure whether this is breaking out above or going to come back down below. Now, the wick did come above, leaving optimism that perhaps our total market cap is coming higher, because in just a few short days, you have a new pro-crypto president who's right now talking about a national strategic reserve for XRP and potentially Solana. XRP is at its 7-year high right now. Absolutely incredible. And it looks like it wants to go higher, but this is going to be a significant report for XRP. Let's talk about PEPE, just using XRP as a quick example. Here's a range that I have now drawn out for you guys that I hadn't drawn out yet. Before, I was kind of looking at a little bit of a wedge that was in here. If you were familiar with this content that I've been putting out, we saw kind of this wedge playing out here. But now I'm drawing a much bigger pattern that I want you guys to take a peek at. These are the 4 hourly time frames. And now we are right now seeing PEPE coin, actually, and it's just slightly, boom, kind of right there. So we are now just seeing PEPE coin, and it's tapped there. It came wicked down below, but got accumulated right back up. Kind of came back up to the top of this range, came back down, and now all of a sudden, let's go to the daily candles. We had whales playing some games right at this daily candle. I'm going to jump over to this article for you guys really quickly. By the way, if you want to sign up for Blowfin, there's up to a $5,000 deposit bonus when you sign up for Blowfin using our link. And now, anybody that signed up using our link previously had a 10% discount on trading fees for life. Now there's a 15% discount on trading fees for life for all the folks that have already signed up and anybody that signs up moving forward using our link, which is pretty neat. But let's talk about PEPE whales. PEPE coin whales make major buys as price surge speculation grows. This is back on January 14th, guys. This is just 3 days ago almost. And I want to take you guys back over to the PEPE chart. And what you saw, guys, was this. You saw this big red candle that came all the way down to this range. PEPE coin was a little bit oversold, and guess what happened? This red candle got gobbled back up. It's still a red candle, but it got bought up and then accumulated over the next few days. And here we are on our new daily candle, which is now hitting resistance. The whales dumped it down here and now are reaccumulating back at the bottom of the range. That's what they do. Big money has massive position, I'm sure, just holding on PEPE. But in the meantime, they've got a big amount of money that they swing trade and play these ranges as well. And then you've got a variety of bots from big money that are seeing these levels and trading them. So right now, it's a potential short opportunity for PEPE, possibly, because we might face some resistance here. The warning is, as we did wick above this range, we see our total market cap that is wicked above this range. Again, it's flipping back between green and red. The biggest thing right now, and why I feel like maybe it's a decent short opportunity for PEPE, more clear cut than any of the other trades that I've kind of seen for PEPE in the last week, is this. Bitcoin is right now kind of facing resistance at 100K. 100K is, of course, a very psychological level for the total market. And if Bitcoin faces resistance here and comes back down to this range, or even comes back down to the low 90s and maybe wicks a little bit low, look at this daily candle, was crazy. We could have those moves all of a sudden, guys. We could see it come back down to 87, maybe wick to 85. PEPE coin could easily, my friends, easily come back down to the bottom of this range. From here, would be a boom, about 17, 16% move back to the downside. And there's a world where we kind of do this 1, 2 days, and then all of a sudden you have a new president, Donald Trump is elected, and it's pro-crypto policies, and we blast off. So that's kind of what I'm looking for in the meantime. I believe that PEPE, which is currently valued at about a $7 billion market cap, is undervalued compared to where it can go in this bull market. Dogecoin in the last bull market got to 88 billion. It was supported by Elon Musk. PEPE is also supported by Elon Musk, and it got to a $10 billion market cap so far, and we haven't even seen the true altcoin explosion. What I believe is going to happen at some point, our total market cap is going to break out. And granted, guys, it could be here, and PEPE coin could be breaking out right now. Maybe you disagree and you want to make a long trade because you're convinced it's going to break through. I don't really like making longs at support. What I'd like to wait for is either a breakout and then you trade the breakout, or a bullish retest. You could potentially trade the breakout and then add more to the position on the bounce. Perhaps it just breaks through. But I like the idea of a potential quick short potentially over the next few days before Inauguration Day, in just 4 short days, because Bitcoin's hitting resistance, our total market cap is hitting resistance, PEPE coin is hitting resistance, and we might see it come back down. XRP is also at its 7-year high. This could easily come back down to retest into the $2.60-ish cent range, $2.70, $2.50, somewhere in there for XRP, along with a rejection at 100K for Bitcoin. Let me be very clear, guys. I think PEPE could go maybe to 88 billion or $100 billion in this market, this bull market, which, you know, we still have yet to see these big moves. But in the meantime, I'm looking at short-term trades that I want to keep you guys alerted to. And so that's the point of this video. If you want to trade PEPE, again, sign up for Blowfin down below. If you want to find a place where you can just DCA and hold on and go from your bank account into crypto, crypto.com. I also have a sign-up link for you for crypto.com down below. If you want to use the platform that I use to go from my bank account into crypto. They also got these cool debit Visa cards, which are pretty neat, where you can actually take profit from crypto and get cash back on your purchases in the form of cryptocurrency. I'm very bullish on Dogecoin as well, but PEPE coin. And I do think that potentially in the short term, we are looking at a small short opportunity, maybe even a move 15% to the downside for PEPE. Could it break out? Absolutely. There's so many bullish catalysts, from a national strategic reserve for Bitcoin, now a national strategic reserve talking about for Solana and XRP, which is arguably very bullish for altcoins. And we also are seeing Bitcoin dominance come down and reject off of this resistance right here, which is suggesting perhaps we are going to see more continuation to the upside for alts as Bitcoin dominance falls. But I do look at this resistance for PEPE and note that it is going to be quite significant alongside this 100K resistance for Bitcoin. So that's all I have for you in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, DCA, hold on, my friends, and of course, I will see you in the next one. I got 2 videos right here if you want to check them out. I'll see you next time, y'all. Peace.